Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is a laundry routine. I'm going to show you how I do my weekly laundry. If you want to see how I do it, continue to watch. We are a family of four, me, my husband, and our two daughters. So what I normally do when I'm doing my weekly laundry, I just go ahead and separate the clothes in whites, colored, and darks. So I usually wash my daughter's clothes separate and then do my husband's and I together. The first load that I'll be putting in is the colored clothes for my daughters, and then I'm going to move on to the rest. So I usually do my white clothes for last, unless I'm doing like sheets and towels, they'll come last, but the set of clothes that comes last is always my whites. And guys, please let me know if you also leave your whites for last, because for me there's always something white like hanging around somewhere. Right here I'm showing you the settings that I use. No matter the color, the load, or whatever, I'm always gonna wash on cold and heavy. Depending on the type of load I had in the dryer, I'll go ahead and clean out the lint trap right there, or every couple of loads I'll do that. No, what you see me doing is using the Lysol to spread the basket, because I had the dirty clothes in the laundry basket and I don't want to take the clean clothes out the dryer and put them in the dirty basket. So I went ahead and spray it with the Lysol and then wipe it with my towel that I have. I have a towel that I use for this, and put my clothes in. Folding after each load, or if I have a small load, I'll wait on the next load and then go ahead and fold after that. But I like to fold after each load, so that gives me more time. Like, I don't want to wash my clothes, throw them on the bed, throw them in the crib or somewhere, because if I do that, they'll never get folded. All we'll do is just go pick from that pile, wear something, and no, I like to go ahead, fold, put them away, and that makes it more organized. Now, because doing your laundry is repetitive, because all you do is wash, rinse, dry, fold, and repeat, I'm just gonna have you guys sit back, relax, listen to my background music while I do my laundry, or even get your laundry and go ahead and do it, or do something around the house, wash, cook, clean, and just enjoy. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video. this is the end of my laundry routine. I started doing my laundry Saturday afternoon. We went on the road. When we got back, I put some more loads in the machine. Didn't finish until Sunday, but here you go, guys. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.